Welcome. Thank you for joining me for our gentle sun salutation practice today. A great way to start the day, but also a great way to end the day. We'll be taking time, we'll be holding the poses, and it's just about mobilizing and feeling good. So we start with ankles and knees together, and we loosen off around the shoulders, palms facing forward, deep breaths. Each breath a little deeper than the last. I want you to feel that you're opening out through the chest, achieving as much movement around the shoulders as you can. We bend the knees, we open out. Inhale, exhale. And each time you open, you're just feeling that lovely stretch through the chest. 2 more to go. And on the last one, I bring the hands down. I take a deep breath in, I reach up for the sky. So I exhale, I hold the arms overhead and draw back, looking to really extend through the front of the body. I bring the hands down, I tuck the chin, I soften the knees, take the feet further apart if you feel you need to for balance, and I come down as far as my back will accommodate. And then I just let the head relax. Bend the knees, slowly roll all the way up. And then from here I'm going to come to the end of my mat. And I'm going to take a big step back. And I'm just aiming the heel towards the floor. And I just take the arms up and push back so I can feel the muscles through my calf, through my hip, through my thighs starting to lengthen. And I do that 2 more. 1 more time. And then I step the feet back in and then change. So I take the foot back, push the heel back, and again, just open and close. Keeping that chest lifted, driving the heel down in towards the floor. 2 more to go. And the last one. And then from here I bring the feet all the way back, ankles and knees together. Take a deep breath in, reach up for the sky. Exhale, coming down to the floor. I take the hands to the shin, flat back extend. I bring the hands all the way back down, and then I come back onto hands and knees with the body weight equal over all 4 points. Sorry folks, I'm doing myself a really good job here. There we go. Breath out as I push the middle of the back away. Breath in as I come into a flat back or a dip. So I take a breath out, breath in, release twice more, and the last one. Feet together, knees out, I drop the bottom back, take the hands away and hold. And each breath is that little bit deeper. And again. Slowly coming all the way out of that, I'll tuck the toes under and push into a downward dog and just hold. Knees are soft, and then just gently walk the heels away. And I want you to feel that you're achieving length through the back of the legs, into the glutes, head's relaxed, with lovely deep breaths. Coming all the way out of that. And then from here, you're going to take one leg all the way forward and drop into the hips. So you can stay down. You can use the wall or furniture as a touch point. If you feel comfortable, you can push all the way up. And if you're still happy with that, you can take the arms in the air and we hold and deep breathe. Coming slowly back out of that, we go back to hands and knees. Body weight over all 4 points. Breath out as you push away. Breath in as you come to a flat, or if it's comfortable for you, dipped back. So we push and release. Twice more. And then the last one. And then once more, you're going to push all the way back into a downward dog. And you can either stay with that, or you can drive those heels back. Again, let the head relax. Deep breaths throughout the movement pattern. Hold. Keep the knees soft. And then from here, you're going to come all the way down. And you're going to take the opposite leg forward this time. And then you can stay down. You can push up. Or you can take the arms all the way up and hold. And again, each breath is just that little bit deeper. I hope that feels nice. I hope that feels good. Coming all the way down, you're going to just slowly, either one big step or baby steps, bring that foot all the way back in, feet together, staying in a forward fold, let the head relax. Now take a deep breath in, reach up to the sky. As you exhale, take the hands behind and open out the chest and hold. And now we go again. We take a deep breath in, reach up for the sky. Exhale, come down to the floor. Inhale, flat back extend. Exhale, come back down to the floor again with the softness in the knees, with the head relaxed. Now stepping all the way back onto hands and knees. Body weight over all 4 points. And we come into our back release again. Feet together, knees out, drop back, take the hands over to the right, relax the right elbow, walk the left hand away and push the bottom back and feel that stretch all the way through the left hand side of the body. Connect with your breath. We change sides. We take the arms over to the opposite side. Walk the right hand away. Push the buttocks out to the right. Let the head relax. And deep breathe. Coming all the way out of that, we're going to push back into down dog, bringing the knees back to parallel, tuck the toes under and hold. And again, you can stay as you are, or you can choose to walk the heels back. From here, I'm going to bring the knees in. I'm going to come all the way up. I'm just going to reach and hold, opening out through the front of the body into the hip. and then we change sides, and again we reach. Coming out of that, I'm going to take my left leg forward and I come back into that hip flexor stretch again. Now I'm going to lift, take the arms out and sink and come into a warrior and hold. I'm going to turn the foot back, turn the opposite way and come into warrior. Drop the shoulders. I'm going to lift that back leg, come all the way down and come into my hip flexor stretch on the opposite side. So from here I'm going to bring the front foot in and I'm going to slide into a hip release. If that isn't appropriate for you, you can always come here if you prefer. Each breath is a little bit deeper. Come all the way out of that, and whichever version you're on, change sides. Coming all the way out of that, coming back onto hands and knees again. Body weight equal over all 4 points, and we push the middle of the back away. And then into flat or dip. So we push away and back. Feet together. Once more, coming into child's pose. Slowly come all the way back up, toes under. Stay in a forward fold. Now that might be higher up here, it might be down to the floor, letting the head relax. And then slowly roll all the way back up. And then from here, you can use anything for a little bit of balance if you want to. I would take the blanket out of the way. I wouldn't stand on the blanket for your balance challenge, but you bring hands to heart. Draw the shoulders back, and we come to option 1, 2, 3. I'll show you 4. Now I have a head cold at the moment that's really affecting my balance, so I'm going to come back to here, and I drop the shoulders back and down. And then we change. So again, deep breath in. Exhale, you can come here. This way you can bring the foot higher up. Feet together. Take a deep breath in. And breath out. And again, deep breath in. And a breath out. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me for our gentle sun salutation practice today. I hope you feel lovely after that, and I hope that's put you in the right frame of mind to tackle the day or your evening ahead. Well done.